Aluminum plus iodine. Aluminum is Al. Iodine is a diatomic, so that's I2. Right, I'm recognizing the general form for this as element plus element. That means their synthesis. We're going to put those two together. So then I have aluminum plus 3, iodine minus 1. Crisscross the charges. That's a 3. Now when I look at this, I have a 2 and a 3, least common denominator being 6. So I'm going to pick a 3 in front of this. 3 times 2 gives me 6. And I'll place a 2 in front of this to give me 6. Therefore, I must place a 2 here. So again, this is just a regular synthesis. I'm just putting them together, crisscrossing the charges. Next one. C7H16 plus oxygen. Immediately I'm recognizing that one again as a combustion. I know right away on the right side of this I have carbon dioxide and water. I've got 16. That's going to allow me to keep this even, so I don't need to do the even, the odd. I'm starting with 7 carbons on here, only 1 on this side. So let me place a 7 here. I have 16 hydrogens here. I have 2 here. Let me place an 8 here. Now let's add up oxygen. 7 times 2 gives me 14 oxygens plus 8 times 1 gives me 8. That is 22 oxygens. Therefore, I need to put, well, let me write this out here first. I will need to remember that this is O2 over here. Okay, so I'm going to be putting an 11 in front of the oxygen here. So the balance reaction this time is C7H16 plus 11 oxygens to make 7 carbon dioxides and 8 waters. Chromium 6 sulfide. So that is Cr, Roman numeral 6, it's a plus 6. Sulfide, that would be S minus 2. I crisscross my charges. This gives me a 2 here and a 6. But I recognize that this is divisible by 2 each. Therefore, this becomes CrS3. Arrow. This general form is a compound arrow. This must be decomposition. So I'm going to break these apart. I'll break that into chromium plus sulfur. Okay. Now, this one, there are no diatoms. So that makes this pretty easy to balance. I have 1 chromium on both sides. I have 3 sulfurs here, so I just place a 3 here. And that's all I need to do.